Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Shift Bike app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Shift Bike is a bike-sharing app designed to provide eco-friendly and convenient short-distance travel options. The app allows users to locate nearby bikes through GPS, unlock them via QR code scanning, and pay directly within the app. It offers flexible rental plans, including pay-per-use and subscription options, and supports real-time tracking of ride duration and cost. In terms of performance, users often praise Shift Bike for its simple booking process, accurate bike location tracking, and affordable pricing compared to other ride-sharing options. The service promotes sustainable travel, reduces traffic congestion, and is especially useful for quick city commutes or leisure rides. The bikes are generally well-maintained, and the app interface is straightforward for both beginners and regular riders. However, there are some downsides. Availability can vary depending on the area, with fewer bikes in suburban or low-demand zones. Occasional GPS inaccuracies can make finding a bike slightly frustrating, and peak-hour demand might lead to unavailability. Some users also mention that the app could benefit from more detailed ride history and better customer support response times. In summary, the Shift Bike app may be worth using if you're looking for an affordable, eco-friendly, and convenient way to get around the city. It excels in accessibility, ease of use, and sustainability. However, if you live in an area with limited bike coverage or need guaranteed availability during peak hours, it might not always meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.